Hello, it's Michael from 609 Software again, giving you part 2 of your Windows Media Player tutorials in Visual Basic. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to set the audios in an on-off fashion and selecting the audio files through buttons and whatnot. So let's go ahead and open up our project. I had to remake the program because, as you can see, I cleaned up my desktop, and somewhere along the way that got lost. So if there are some minor inconsistencies, I apologize. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and start off with the on-off. If I want to do this, let's make a new form. Add new item, Windows form, let's name it form settings. Add. Let's go ahead and resize that to be 300 by 400. Center screen in the start position. Text form settings, that's good. Name form settings, alright. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to add us a checkbox. Let's go up, let's name it checkbox on off. Auto size equals false. We are going to have the size be 150 by 75. We're going to have text be on/off. Now we're going to go up to appearance. I'm going to set that to button. Let's double click that. And in order to access a different public class from another public class, or from public class form settings to public class form WMP, you have to put form WMP dot, and then whatever commands you give after that will be directed to the public class of form WMP and all its private subs. So we're going to put if check box on off dot checked equals false. So that would set it so that it was off. Then form WMP dot Windows Media Player 1 CTL controls dot pause. Else, well, else would mean, so checkbox on off dot checked equals false, which means the else of that would be checkbox on off dot checked equals true. Then form WMP dot Windows Media Player 1 dot CTL controls dot play. And we're going to want this to play automatically. So let's go back to form settings and make sure that checked equals true. Now we have to have a way to access this. So let's go ahead and add another button. We'll leave it the size that it is. We'll put the text as button. Actually, we'll put the text as settings. Name button settings. And that should be good. Double click on that, and we'll just put form settings dot show. Alright, let's go ahead and run this. Play. Now we're playing da da da. And put off. So now we have that's paused. On. Off. On. Off. On. Off. Alright. Now, let's go back to form settings design. And we want to choose a different audio file. Alright. Now, in order to choose a different audio file, we have to have a different audio file, obviously. So, just like you did before, go to your desktop and pick an MP3 file, or your desktop or other location. Make sure it's a different audio file. And drag that into there. Click it. Click copy always. Let's go ahead and copy the file name. Hold Control, press C. Now we're going to edit button. Put the text as Archangel. Let's go ahead and set the size to 150 by 75. Just go ahead and eyeball it. And let's put the name as Button Archangel. And that should be good. Now, double click it. And once again, we're going to have to access form WMP. So let's click form WMP dot AX Windows Media Player 1 dot URL equals parentheses. Now we're going to hold Control and click V for paste, because now, and that will set the Windows Media Player URL to be that file name within the Solution Explorer, just as He's a Pirate is URL. Let's go ahead and run that. And hit play. And woo, it's playing. All is well. Oh no, the song's boring. Settings, Archangel. And now, it plays a different song.